make some noise that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
What's up everyone, today's video would be going to be on the part 3 of how to overload bodyweight exercises. So the idea behind this series is to make the bodyweight exercises worthy of muscular gains by making them difficult and providing more tension into the intended muscles. So in the part 1 and 2, we looked into the push-ups and squats. In this video, in the part 3, we will be looking into an exercise for the glutes, which is called as the glute bridge. So the idea here will be to make the glute bridge exercise difficult and worthy of muscular gains without using any equipment, but by just changing some of the parameters of the exercises which you will be looking in this video. Now, as we discussed in the previous video of this series, we will be altering the 5 major parameters so as to overload this simple bodyweight exercise. So let's look into each of these parameters and how to perform each of the exercise while altering those parameters. So the first parameter here would be to change the tempo, which means to change the pace at which you are performing the exercise. Either you can do some isometric holds or you can change the pace of the eccentric and the concentric phase of a particular exercise. So let's see how to use these parameters to overload the glute bridges. The second parameter would be to change the range of motion of a particular exercise. As you change the range of motion of a particular exercise, you will get more stimulus into your muscles and you will be able to provide more tension into the intended muscles. So here either you can change the position of your legs or change the position of your shoulders or change the angles with which you are performing the exercises so as to change the range of motion of the glute bridge and get more tension into your glute muscles. The third parameter would be to add some unilateral training. So here, instead of performing the glute bridge using both the legs, we will be performing the glute bridges using single leg. So this parameter can also be combined with other parameters to get more overload with your glute bridges. The fourth parameter is to use some weights to overload the glute bridges. So here it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to use some dumbbells or barbells or any other gym equipment to add the weights, but you can just use the heavy bags and books to overload your exercise, because the idea of this series is not to use the gym equipments but to just use the home hacks to overload your exercises. So here you can see me using some dumbbells or heavy bags to overload my glute bridges. Similarly, you can use anything and just overload that exercise and provide more tension into your muscles. the fifth parameter is the metabolic stress, which will be a kind of supersets here, wherein you will be combining 2 or 3 parameters as we have discussed till now, and you will be increasing the intensity of that exercise, and you will be performing more and more reps till you feel some intense contraction in the intended working muscle. So here you can see that I have combined 2 or 3 previous parameters here so as to get the metabolic stress into our intended muscle. So these were the 5 parameters which you can always alter and overload your glute bridges and get the maximum tension into your muscles so as to induce the muscular growth and also build your strength and endurance. So give this a try and let me know how it goes for you in the comment below, and also suggest me the next topics on this series which you want me to cover. And if you found this video valuable, then like this video, share with everyone, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos on workout and nutrition. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.